Good morning student, welcome back in this class. Today we will discuss about the some important term which is related to the triangle. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the perimeter and area of rectangle and square. So in this sequence we will discuss about the area of equilateral triangle. As you know that equilateral triangle is bounded by three line segment and it has three vertices A, B and C, and in equilateral triangle all sides are equal and each angles are also equal. So what is the area of equilateral triangle? Suppose that triangle ABC is here and a line perpendicular and drawn on from the vertex A to side BC. So in this triangle ADC, triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means a triangle having one angle 90 degree. So it is clear that triangle ADB is right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Now suppose that side of equilateral triangle is A. Let us consider side AB equal to A. So it is clear that in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. If side AB equal to A, then BC equal to also A, and side AC equal to A. So in this triangle side BC equal to A and AC equal to also A. So it is clear that line AD perpendicular on the base BC and AD is divided side BC in two equal parts, means perpendicular AD on the BC side, AD bisect BC. So it is clear that BD equal to A by 2 and DC equal to also A by 2. So it is clear that AD divided BC in two equal parts and side BC equal to A, then BD equal to A by 2 and DC equal to also A by 2. In right angle triangle ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree and we know that here just opposite side of the right angle, that side known as the hypotenuse. So it is clear that AB is hypotenuse and BD base and AD perpendicular. According to Pythagoras theorem, we know that here hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So in this right angle triangle ADB, hypotenuse is AB and base is BD and perpendicular AD. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square, AB the hypotenuse, then AB square equal to base is BD square plus perpendicular AD square. So in this right angle triangle, side AB is given here A, and BD is A by 2, and the value of AD. Then put the value of AB equal to AB equal to A square plus BD is the side A by 2 square plus AD square. So it is clear that AD square equal to A square minus A square by 4. Then LCM of 4 and 1 is LCM of 4 AD square equal to 4. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Then 4A square minus A square. Then 4A square minus A square is 3A square by 4. Then AD equal to root 3A square by 4. Okay. Now root 3A square, then A by 2 root 3. It is clear. Then perpendicular AD is root 3 by 2 A. Okay. So it is clear that triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle, and we know that the properties of equilateral triangle, we know that all sides are equal. Now suppose that one side of a triangle, equilateral triangle is A, then other two side is also side A. Then a perpendicular line drawn from vertex A on the side BC, then perpendicular AD bisect BC. So it is clear that side BC is A, then AD divided BC into equal parts. Then each part BD and DC is A by 2. In this case, we apply the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ADB. Hypotenuse is side A and base is A by 2 and perpendicular is AD equal to root 3 by 2. Then AB square equal to BD square plus AD square, AB square, AB the hypotenuse and BD is the base and AD is perpendicular. Then AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. So put the value of AB and BD in this equation. Then A square equal to A square, A by 2 whole square plus AD square. Then AD square equal to root 3 by 2 into A. So in this triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. So we know that area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 base into height. In this case, triangle ABC, base is BC is given here A, and perpendicular height means AD equal to A root 3 by 2 into A. So put the value of perpendicular height AD is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 into A. Then A into A square root 3 by 2 into 2 area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base is BC into perpendicular height in this triangle AD, then 1 by 2 into BC is equal to A, then put the value of BC A, and perpendicular height is here AD equal to root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 into A, then 2 into 2 4 and A square into root 3, so root 3 by 4 into A square. So it is clear that equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into side square. A is the side of in this equilateral triangle. So it is clear that area of triangle, equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into side square. So in this equilateral triangle ABC, then area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 into side square. So it is clear that equilateral triangle means a triangle which all sides are equal and each angles are also equal. So now suppose that triangle ABC is given here, then a perpendicular line drawn from the vertex A on the side BC, then perpendicular line AD bisect BC in two equal parts. So it is clear. Now suppose that side of equilateral triangle is AB equal to A, then other two side BC and AC is also equal to A. Then perpendicular height AD bisect BC in two equal parts, then sides of BC is A, then BD equal to A by 2. So in this situation, here is the triangle ADB is a right angle triangle, because here angle ADB equal to 90 degree, and we know that if in any triangle one angle is 90 degree, then triangle is known as the right angle triangle. So in this case triangle ADB right angle triangle, and apply the Pythagoras theorem, and we know that according to the formula of the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So in this triangle ADB, AB is hypotenuse and BD is base and AD is perpendicular. Then hypotenuse is AB square equal to base BD square plus AD square. So put the value of AB, that is A, and in the place of BD put the value of BD equal to A by 2. So now sort out this equation, then AD equal to root 3 by 2 into A. So in this triangle we know that here any area of any triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So in this triangle ABC, BC is the base and height, perpendicular height is AD. So area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 base into height. In the place of BC, in the place of base, put the value of BC equal to A, and in the place of perpendicular height AD, put the value of AD equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into A, then 1 by 2 into A into root 3 by 2 into A. Sort out here, then root 3 by 4 into side square. So it is clear that area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 into side square. Thank you.